Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty in the Garden. I am T. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. Guys, I'm going to go ahead out in our garden and I'm going to plant up the rest of my peppers. I'm going to show you exactly how I went about doing it. So hopefully this will make some things a little bit easy for you guys out in your garden. As we get ready to go ahead and plant out in our garden, here is some of the things that I am using. Right here, I have some expert garden soil. This is a heavy, dense soil. All right, this is not compost, it's just not plain soil. It is literally a combination of both, okay? So I went ahead and decided to go ahead with the garden soil since I will be putting it into these beds here. And as well, I have here is my fish fertilizer, some poultry manure. Hi, Ramon. Some poultry manure. Okay, and my handheld shovel and what I'm going to be planting today. Today I'm going to be planting up my bell peppers, and as well I have here my 2-gallon water pitcher. So I went ahead and grabbed my stool. This stool here is from Beautee. I absolutely love my stool. You guys have asked me about this stool. It's really, really comfortable, and as well because it has a big bottom, okay? Got a big bottom, and it moves around, so you can swirl it around however you feel fit, and I absolutely love it. Now, it would be great if it came with a cushion, but it's comfortable for a big bottom, okay? So anyways, so I have this, and I'm going to show you guys what I've done so far. Now, I did go ahead and plant up some of the peppers, so this video won't be so long, and I'm going to show you what I did. All right, so the first thing that I did was I went ahead and put down the expert garden soil into each hole, and then I came right behind it and I put in all of these black posts so that I can go ahead and trellis my peppers. Now, I have a video of me planting all of the dianthus. That's going to help bring pollinators to my garden. And as well, right behind it is the bubblegum pink alliums. They put on these little balls of flowers and it looks so pretty, and the bumblebees love them. All right, the bumblebees is all over them. So this area here is going to be filled with a lot of things that's going to give benefits to my bell peppers. So let's get started on planting up our bell peppers for our upcoming spring gardening. Let's get started. Right here I have my bell peppers that I started in the beginning of the season. All of these bell peppers have gotten to a great size, and I'm loving the new planters that I'm able to put them in. This planter, these pots, starter pots, are from Bootstrap Farm. Really like them. I like the fact that it does come with a little hole, so you can just kind of just go ahead and pop your plant out. Now, I've seen a good bit of planters, well, pots, starter pots that does that. But so far I have had the opportunity to work with Bootstrap Farms with a collaboration before on these, and I'm absolutely loving them. For people who already have them, they know, okay, the material is nice. Even with me saving some of the containers that I get from purchasing items, but this right here is very durable. I haven't seen it fade quite just yet. Great material. I've seen, I'm loving the aeration that they have at the bottom too, and I haven't seen my plants getting root bound, so that's great. All right, so let's go ahead and get planting up our bell peppers for the season. So I've already pre-dug my holes, set my posts, and now I'm going to show you what I do, okay? So I have here is some Expoma brand here. This is all poultry manure. I really like using poultry manure. I feel like it breaks down pretty quick, so that's what we're going to be using today. So I'm roughly going to put in about, I would say about, I think that's about a tablespoon or so into each hole. Now you do want to go ahead and stir some of your existing soil into your new garden soil. You're going to work in your fertilizer into your soil so that you will not burn your roots. All right, pull it back just a little bit. We're going to grab our pepper plant. We're going to pop it out like that. And which you see here, the plant has not been root bound, so we don't have to disturb the root ball at all. We're just going to pop it on in, and we're going to backfill it. And that is it. Now we have our peppers in, and I'm going to go ahead and do the last 5. As you can see, the soil that I have here is quite hard, so I decided that it would be best to go ahead and give my plants a great start by adding in soft garden soil. Peppers planted. Now I'm going to water them in with a water soluble. So I have here my 2-gallon pitcher, the fish fertilizer. I'm going to put in roughly about 2 tablespoons to my 2-gallon pitcher. I'm going to give that a stir. Just because we use a granulate does not mean it is enough. When you're planting up new plants, you don't want any shock. I do recommend using a water soluble right after planting up a new crop. You're going to water at the base of your plant. Base of our plant. Just like this. Settle in the soil around the foot of the plant. At the end of this video, I showed you guys how I go about planting up my bell peppers and what I use in today's video. If you guys are interested in anything that I might have used in today's video, I'm going to leave it in the description and it should be on you guys' screen. But I hope this made it easy for you guys to go ahead and plant up your garden. And at the end of it all, just remember, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now. Bye-bye, you guys. Happy planting. And I see you guys in the next one. Happy gardening.